Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is Tech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the performance bands that have been released for TCS for financial year 25-26, and we are going to discuss everything in detail. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. We are going to discuss about A band, B band, C band release. We will also discuss about the salary hike, when it will be effective from, and when you'll be getting the increased salary. We will also discuss whether it will be less than 5% or it will be more than 5%. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. But before moving forward, I have a small request. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please consider subscribing, because I've seen that a lot of people, they are watching our videos but they're not subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, so please do subscribe. Next important thing is regarding performance bands that I already mentioned, right? So the first important thing is that yes, the performance bands have been released and you will be able to see your performance band like in the portal. Okay, here you will be finding that you can select the drop down 25-26, which is now active. Earlier it was not active. Okay, you were able to see select this drop down, but now you'll be able to see the performance band also for the financial year 25-26. So if you are someone who is able to view this band, then well and good, congratulations. And if you have got a or B band, then it is very good. Okay, compared to C or D. But one thing is that some people are not still not able to view these bands, right? So that is not an issue. It will be updated, it will be getting updated sooner or later. Don't worry, you just try to check it after like few hours. You will be able to find the bands. Okay, this was the first important thing. Now it is very important for people who are working at TCS to get A bands and B bands. Why? Because the layoff thing. Okay, second is your appraisals. Okay, the better you band you have, the more chances you have to get a better percentage of hike, that is around 5% or more than that, or even two digits. Yes, I know that it is very like impossible, next to impossible, to get almost two-digit hike at TCS, a company of this scale, but some people do get it. Okay, so that is the reason I wanted to highlight this, that it is important to get A band or B band, because you are eligible for Wings 1 and Wings 2 also. So that becomes very evident. If you are having C or D band, then it becomes a troublesome thing if you want to go for doubling your salary at TCS. Okay, I hope that this point is clear. Next important point is regarding the salary hike. When will this salary hike that you'll be getting will be effective from? Yes, the salary hike as per the management and the CHRO, okay, Sudeep Kuniwal, he mentioned that the salary hike will be effective for all the IT employees at TCS from 1st of April. This means that even if your offer letter, the new compensation letter, revised letter, is coming after 1 month or 2 months, still you will be getting the salary hike from the 1st of April itself. Meaning that if you are getting your offer letter or your compensation letter around somewhere around June, okay, then in the month of June you'll be getting the entire salary of April, May and June. Okay, the salary that is not given to you as part of the appraisal. Okay, so next important thing is less than 5% or more than 5%. Now, this is the question that most of the people are trying to solve and trying to guess whether TCS will be giving 5% hike, less than 5%, like it did in the past 2 years, where it was giving just 2%, 3%, or even 4% salary hike. Some of the people even got negative salary hikes because they were having D bands and they were put into PIP, that is Performance Improvement Plan. Now, it will be evident to see most probably TCS will give less than 5%, because the macroeconomic things are not very good in the favor. Although they have got like good results, it is compared to what the market was expecting, they have got good results, but definitely it is not like what it was doing in the past, like before 10 years. Okay, so if you look at it before 10 years, like past before the decade, you'll find that TCS was a growth engine. TCS was driving all the IT companies along with it, and now it is not doing that, and that is a big reason to worry for the management and for the investors in the stock market. Okay, and that is the reason people feel that the margins might get impacted and the growth is will be in single digit for the company, not in double digit, which is a big reason to worry for employee for basically the management. And that is the reason why they will not try to give more like percentage of salary hike, because if you look at the cost of employees, okay, it was around 10,000 crore, which has not decreased even after they did a lot of layoffs in the last 2 quarters. Okay, so that is a big reason to worry for them, because 10,000 crores is a big amount that you are paying for the employees, because this is not a like capital, this is not a capital intensive business. If you look at IT, It is the main cost that you have is of employees and the infrastructure. That's it. You don't have inventory, you don't have other things, right? You don't have a lot of what do you call it, keeping the cost of keeping the money into the business. This is not that kind of business, right? IT is not that kind of business like manufacturing, wherein you have to keep a lot of money with the inventory and all those things. Compared to manufacturing, IT is very different, and that is the reason why it is easy to get growth in the IT sector. Okay, definitely it is not that easy compared to manufacturing, but yes, it is easy comparatively. Okay, so with this, I would like to end today's video. If you feel that this video was helpful or you got some info, then guys, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, and please share this video with all of your friends and congratulate them if they are getting A or B band. Even C band is okay. Okay, thank you and have a great day.